Websites you didn't know existed, Part 3. Check this out. This is Copy AI, the best solution for copywriting that you will ever find. This is faster, fresher, and always provides a better copy. You can sign in with Google or create your own account. Once you're in the account, you can choose what exactly you need copy for, which can also be for paid ads, for posts, or landing pages. For this particular one, we're going to create our own copy, create the product title, which we've chosen as our link tree, and the description. You can then choose a topic or what the product is all about, put a little bit of a description in there, which is what we've done here, and then create copy. You can choose the type of copy that you want as well, which it has a variety of options for. Once your copy is being generated, you see this lovely little computer doing its magic, and then it will provide you with several types of copy ideas that you can use. All of these are of course usable, and you can check these for plagiarism as well. You can either choose to copy, save, or show more like this, or remove the one you don't like. This is the best product I've found for copyright material. Like and follow if you want to see more videos like this.